Almost everything you see moving in After Effects comes down to one thing: keyframes. If you understand this, animation stops feeling complicated. When people hear the word animation, they think of Disney, hand-drawn characters. But animation at its core is simply change over time. Position changes, scale changes, rotation, opacity, anything. If something is one way and later becomes different, that's animation. In After Effects, the most common way to animate is using keyframes. Keyframes record values at specific moments in time. Between those moments, After Effects fills in the motion. Let's start simple.
Select your text layer and press P. That reveals position. See the stopwatch? Click it. That creates your first keyframe. This keyframe says, at this exact time, remember this position. To animate, move the playhead forward in time, then change the position. You can drag the layer in the comp panel, and congratulations, you just animated something in After Effects. Move the playhead back to the beginning. Hit spacebar, and that motion you see is keyframe animation. If you delete the second keyframe, nothing moves. One keyframe is just a marker. You need at least 2 keyframes to create change. So, between keyframes, After Effects interpolates. Basically, that means it calculates how the movement happens. By default, this movement is linear. Let's open the graph editor. Make sure you're viewing the speed graph. This graph shows pixels per second. At the first keyframe, the speed instantly jumps. It stays constant, then instantly drops to 0. That's why linear motion feels robotic. If the animation is fast, you really feel it. It starts abruptly and stops abruptly. No weight, no realism. This same logic works on everything: scale, rotation, opacity. Any property with a stopwatch can be animated. Just drop keyframes, move forward, change values, and, boom.
You're not limited to one property. You can animate position, scale, rotation, and opacity all at the same time. Each one gets its own keyframes. Right now, this animation works, but it doesn't feel smooth. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to ease motion. And that's where animations start to look professional. That's keyframe basics. If this clicked, you're officially animating. Next up, easy ease and motion smoothing. I'll see you there.